what role does this library play in shaping these students?
We have a handmade collection of books that students have written by themselves. Reading culture is there, but we just have to give them a resource so that they can read. We not only focus on the reading skills of students, but we also focus on their cognitive, their communication, as well as their writing skill. Overall, अगर एक पेरेंट देखेगा कि बुक से उस बच्चे को कितने स्किल्स मिल रहे हैं, उसकी नॉलेज कितनी बढ़ रही है, तो वो कभी ये नहीं बोलेगा कि ये सिर्फ बुक्स पे फोकस करते, एकेडमिक्स पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं. लेट देम डू व्हाट दे वांट टू डू, बिकॉज उसके बाद आपको भी पता चलेगा वेयर योर चाइल्ड स्टैंड्स एक्चुअली.
ये है टॉक इन टॉक और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट उमायमा ऋषि. आप सब नाजरीन का एक बार फिर से इस्तकबाल है. नाजरीन, आप सब वाकिफ होंगे ये सीरीज जो कि प्राइवेट एजुकेशन यानी निजी तालीम पर मबनी है, हम आप तक KL स्टूडियो यानी कश्मीर लाइफ स्टूडियो की जानिब से आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं. और जो आज का हमारा मौजू है वो है ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बुक्स एंड लाइब्रेरीज, एंड जो रीडिंग कल्चर है वो हमारे यहाँ स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो उसी सिलसिले में आज हमने दावत दी है DPS यानी दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल की लाइब्रेरियन मैडम अजरा अयूब को. अजरा मैम, आपका इस शुमारे में खैर मकदम.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर.
सबसे पहले मैं आपसे आपके बारे में पूछना चाहूँगी, आप ये लाइब्रेरियन कैसे बनी एंड अभी का आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
ओके, सो मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी कि मैं टीचिंग में जाऊं बिकॉज आई लव किड्स. सो जब मैंने DPS का करियर चूज किया, आई वाज गिवन 2 ऑप्शंस, वन एज अ टीचर एंड वन एज अ लाइब्रेरियन. बट आई चोज लाइब्रेरी बिकॉज जो एनवायरनमेंट आपको लाइब्रेरी में मिलता है वो शायद आपको टीचर के क्लासरूम में नहीं मिलेगा. व्हेन यू आर सराउंडेड बाय over 50,000 books around and so many things, so एक अलग सा environment बनता है where you just find yourself. तो इसी वजह से I chose library, तो that might give me a better version of myself as well.
Okay, so is your overall experience going all right now?
Yeah, it's going very good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so मुझे बता दीजिए, because you are a librarian and apart from that you might observe कि स्कूल में जो ये 8 periods होते हैं, you know, of different subjects, right? and उसमें से एक period library का भी होता है. So what importance does जो स्कूल की library है, what role does this library play in shaping these students?
Library overall plays a very important role. जो हम बोलते हैं that classroom, it's surrounded by 4 walls. You have a teacher in front of you, you have your books, that's it. But library में you have many resources. You might find students excited when they go to library. I myself, when I go to classrooms, बच्चों को बोलने that you are having a library class right now, they just are full of excitement.
Okay.
And sometimes I feel overwhelmed कि ये इतना excitement क्यों दिखा रहे हैं. But at the end, जब वो classroom में बंद होते हैं उस time period के लिए, उनको library में थोड़ी राहत मिलती है because they find themselves. अब वहाँ पे क्लास में यू रीड योर एकेडमिकली बुक्स, जो भी आपको दी जा रही है आप वो पढ़ रहे हैं,
whether you like it or
not, it's compulsion, you have to do it. But in library आप अपनी पसंद से, अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से आप बुक लेते हैं, आप वो पढ़ते हैं. आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ते तो आप अपने आप को ही पाते उसमें. एंड लाइब्रेरी, जो DPS की लाइब्रेरी है पर्टिकुलरली, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट बुक्स, इट्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग. We not only focus on the reading skills of students, but we also focus on their cognitive, their communication, as well as their writing skills.
Okay.
And for that, we have different types of activities that are planned for the session. So it's not
so you
only...
have different programs like book clubs and all as well?
Yes, we have everything in library. It's not only issuing of books, reading of books, it's beyond that.
Okay.
So if you want me, I can explain you everything about our library.
Yeah, for sure. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So for library classes, we have LKG to 12th, but for class LKG to 10th, we are having a regular classes in library. 1 week for one class, it's 1 week.
Okay.
So एक वीक में एक क्लास आती है लाइब्रेरी. पर वीक उनकी क्लासेस होती हैं. एंड वहाँ पे दे नॉट ओनली इशू बुक्स, they do that regularly, but वो books लेके वो घर पे पढ़ते हैं. Library में वो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं.
वो वही confined नहीं रहता, वो घर भी ले जाते हैं.
हाँ, वो घर ले जाते हैं. And library का उनका planned session होता है, activities का. अभी तक की हमने बहुत सारी activities की है जिससे बच्चों में वो interest आता है, that love for reading that gets inculcated. So starting में we have book reviews. तो अभी का जो कल्चर है स्टूडेंट्स में, they find sometimes they find reading boring. But when you give them a target that you have to complete this book and then you have to make a review of this and similarly you have to paste that on a piece of paper or whatever it is, they find it exciting कि हमें कुछ करना है. And जब वो चीज लाइब्रेरी में पेस्टेड देखते हैं, वो आते हैं और अपना रिव्यू देखते हैं, मैम ये तो मैंने लिखा है. So this motivates them more to read, to do more. To make yes, so this is our activity for inculcating reading habits. For writing, they go for writing letters to their grandparents, for their teachers, and many more. So this helps them in writing. And this year as well, students have made books of their own. We have a handmade collection of books that students have written by themselves.
Great.
They have illustrated it, they have designed it, they have made the cover pages. Everything is done by the students only.
Okay.
And when they see that these books are displayed in the library, they just find it very good. And this motivates them to read and write more. So that is the reason our library is not confined to only books. We are having multiple other options as well.
Okay. So ये तो हो गई आपका क्या schedule रहता है स्कूल में and how you motivate them to do more. But at the same time, we see that now हम एक digital era में है ना, and technology is more relevant right now. So with times we have now ebooks. है ना, and we have a lot of material available online. अगर आप पढ़ोगे नहीं, एक वीडियो देख लिया YouTube पे तो हो गया, समझ आ गया. ठीक है, that is what I've seen people doing students doing. Yes. So do you think इस सिनेरियो में फिजिकल लाइब्रेरी या बुक्स की रेलेवेंस रही है अभी भी?
This is, I think, a very important question nowadays because children are facing this issue. But whenever you open a book, whenever you read a book, your mind automatically imagines everything.
Yes.
Isn't it? So you get that imaginative skills. But once you're watching the video, it's just that a rush of time goes on and you are not able to imagine what's going on.
You just listen to it.
You just listen to
gain information.
Yes. Yeah. In our school, we have movies as well. We show students movies based on the books only.
Okay.
Not apart from that. We have a movie room there. So we are keeping a pace with digital era as well. I'll let you know how. We are having a movie room. We show them movies related to the books only. First, they read the book. That is their classic or contemporary, whatever they want. They read a book, and after that, once there is an exam going on, they have a stress around. So we give them a movie time in which they watch movies. Right now, currently, we're having Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Okay, great.
That's a favorite one of students, and Oliver Twist based on classics. So we give them this movie time so that they can see the difference between movies and books. And then also we have a group discussions based on that. They go ahead for the group discussions wherein they discuss movies and books, which one is better for them.
Okay. So do you find कि जो ये technology का intervention है इसमें it has enhanced their learning as well?
Yeah. See, technology, so we cannot be behind that because technology is there. Hum chahe ya na chahe, it is there. So for that, we have also introduced, we have an e-library in our school as well.
E-library?
Yes, it's an e-library and we are having ETI systems there.
Okay.
And DPS is having its own repository, knowledge base there.
Okay, that's great.
So yes, we have a teacher who continuously updates that knowledge base with new books, new arrivals, whatever it is, and students read from that as well.
Okay.
So apart from the physical books, they are having an e-library. So we are keeping a pace with the technology as well, so that they remain ahead in everything.
So it's based on choice. जैसे e-library choose करनी होगी, they'll go for that, and जिनको physical library में interest होगा, they'll go for that.
Yes, but हम यहाँ पे choice नहीं देते, हम इनको दोनों चीजें सिखाते हैं.
अच्छा, both is
there.
Okay.
So for a time being, we'll give them physical books, they will participate in the activities, and after certain period of time, they'll go for e-library. And from class 3 onwards, we show them how the e-library works, how it is opened, how you can access books there, and it's free for them, so they can access it from their homes as well. So it is mandatory for them to use e-library as well as they can take physical books as well.
ओके फाइन. सो ये तो आपने अपनी स्कूल की बात बता दी, तो मैं एक और सवाल इसमें से निकलता है कि लाइक आर दे इंटरेस्टेड, मतलब विलिंगली इंटरेस्टेड टू कम एंड रीड बुक्स, क्योंकि यू कीप अ पीरियड, लाइब्रेरी पीरियड, बट इसके अलावा भी डू लाइक स्टूडेंट्स कम और से लाइक वी नीड अ बुक और वी वांट टू रीड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द क्लासेस एज वेल. People don't prefer reading nowadays, right? उनको ऑनलाइन जो भी मटेरियल अवेलेबल लगता है they'll prefer that. So that is why I'm asking.
Yes, so इसके लिए I like to invite you to DPS library, because in there they have a free period, not free period, but a homeroom period there, in which they can do whatever they want. They have a homeroom teacher, and our library is full of students in their homeroom periods.
Okay.
Full of students. Like sometimes we are so busy that we don't know what we have to do.
Okay.
So what people are saying is that reading culture रहा नहीं है, बच्चे books prefer नहीं करते हैं. But what I think personally is that बच्चों को अभी भी books चाहिए. But ये सिर्फ इतना है that we give them the resources to read. We should provide them with the resources. Because I have been from a school, I'll not name it, I have been from a school where we were not allowed to even touch the books. Yeah, because at that time, the teachers would give us the magazines or whatever the storybooks they would like to give us. They would like to give us that.
Not according to your interests.
Not according to our interests. They would tell us that read from this. But what DPS is doing is that they give students their books, whatever they want.
की होती है.
And
Okay.
हाँ, हमारे पास एज अप्रोप्रिएट बुक्स है, बट कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा होता है जिसको अपनी एज से ज्यादा नॉलेज चाहिए. मतलब there's a certain book हमें लगता है कि ये बच्चा नहीं पढ़ पाएगा. 4th क्लास का बच्चा he'll not be able to read Harry Potter.
Yeah.
But there are students जो preferably बोलते मैम अपना सेक्शन सारा पढ़ लिया, now I want to go for Harry Potter as well. So this is reading culture is there, but we just have to give them a resource so that they can read. That's it.
नाज़रीन, हमारी टॉक्स तो चलती रहेंगी, यहाँ पे लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. टॉकिंग टॉक में आप सब नाजरीन का एक बार फिर से इस्तकबाल है. यहाँ बढ़ते हैं अपने टॉक्स की तरफ. सो अज़रा मैम, ये तो हो गई स्कूल की बातें. तो मुझे बताइए, आप तो जानती ही होगी जो पहली स्कूलिंग है वो घर से शुरू होती है. तो मुझे बता दीजिए, ये जो पेरेंटल अप्रोच होता है या जो पेरेंटल रोल होता है, डू यू थिंक इट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू changing the habit of a student, or shaping the habit of a student to get them read books?
Yes, exactly. Parents play a very important role. Be it shaping the child's behavior, be it shaping the child's manners, whatever it is. Parents play, because yes, exactly what you said, बच्चे का स्कूल स्टार्ट में घर से ही होता है. So yes, that is there. But nowadays what parents are focusing on is academics only. Because I have seen some parents who say मेरा बच्चा बहुत बुक्स लेता है, I don't want him कि ये ज़्यादा बुक्स पढ़े, कि अपने एकेडमिक्स पे फोकस नहीं करता है. बट ओवरऑल अगर एक पेरेंट देखेगा कि बुक से उस बच्चे को कितने स्किल्स मिल रहे हैं, उसकी नॉलेज कितनी बढ़ रही है, तो वो कभी ये नहीं बोलेगा कि ये सिर्फ बुक्स पे फोकस करते हैं, एकेडमिक्स पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज मैंने जैसे आपको स्टार्टिंग में कहा, रीडिंग बुक्स नॉट ओनली एनहांसेस देयर रीडिंग हैबिट्स, इट ऑल्सो inculcates some skills in them. They are able to focus, they are able to pay attention, they are able to imagine things. जो academic books उनको वो चीजें नहीं दे रही हैं. तो books are important, and I think personally a parent should focus on this. अगर उनका बच्चा books नहीं पढ़ रहा है, he's or she is not interested in books, उनको चाहिए कि give a push to your children, because उससे क्या होता है, उनकी vocabulary automatically अच्छी होगी. You will be able to find the difference between a student who reads continuously and a student who does not read. There is a difference. Their vocabulary is weak. They are not attentive at all. So book से जब उनको attention मिलता है ना, जब आपको किसी चीज में interest आता है ना, you pay full attention to that. You go deep in that. I have seen children that come to library in their lunch breaks as well, because they find peace there.
Okay.
We have some cozy environment in our library. We have different corners meant for those children. They come in lunch breaks as well. They just come, read a book of their choice, find peace, and then go back to their academics. So books are necessary. I have a student in my class. She says that, "Ma'am, मैं सोते टाइम भी बुक पढ़ती हूँ, फिर मुझे नींद आती है." The reason is that she finds peace in that. उसको लगता है कि नहीं, बुक से मुझे कुछ मिल रहा है. So for me, I think parents should also focus on this, not only on academics, but as well as other books as well.
as well. So do you have any experience or a memorable moment जो मतलब आपके student के साथ आपका रहा होगा, in regard to the power of reading?
Yeah, we have many students there जो अभी भी हम लगता है कि they can go far more beyond because of the books. मैंने जैसा आपको बोला, हमारे लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारे कॉर्नर्स हैं, तो we have students जो आते हैं, अपने कॉर्नर पे बैठते हैं, अपनी ही वो बुक लेते हैं और पढ़ते हैं. So उनको वैसे देखना, it's very good for us. It's a good feeling. हमने उनको ऐसे देखते तो हमें लगता है कि नहीं, we as librarians हमें भी कुछ मिल रहा है, क्योंकि जब हमारे students inspire होते हैं तो हमें अच्छा लगता है वो चीज़. So we have memories with our students. हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें की है लाइब्रेरी में already, जिसकी वजह से हमारे students are going far. So हमारे यहाँ पे सिर्फ, मैंने जैसा आपको बोला, it's not only books, it is about the activities as well. When I look at those books, I feel good कि नहीं, मेरे बच्चों ने कुछ किया है. So this is overall very memorable. And जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, I myself wanted to be a librarian because I find peace in that four walls of the library. So yeah, every child for me is special.
Okay. So coming to the conclusion, मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपकी कोई advice है या message है towards students, teachers या for that matter parents, कि कैसे जो ये reading culture है ये बना रहे, and मतलब हम और इसकी बेहतरी के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं to improvise our students?
Yes, for our students, I would like to just tell them that just read and find peace, because this is something that can give you. And as we were said in our education era, it was said that books are your best friends.
Yeah.
I totally mean that. Books really are your best friend. I myself, I'm into reading now, but previously I used to write a lot. So मुझे लगता है कि वो जब मैं लिखती थी ना, I used to express myself. So I don't want students to be focused on only reading. Not only reading, it should be about expressing themselves.
Yes.
We are having poetry sessions.
Relating themselves to it, exactly.
Yes, we are having poetry sessions. Right now, the activity that's going on in library is poetry.
Okay.
Students are expressing themselves out through that poetry. Yeah, so that feels overwhelming when they are able to express themselves. I don't stop them from writing anything. If they tell me, "Ma'am, ये गलत हो गया," I say, लिखो आप, just express yourself. And when you see that, you find that there is something that is going on in a child's mind. So we should never stop them. If they are into reading, never stop them. If they want to write anything, never stop them. So let them do what they want to do, because उसके बाद आपको भी पता चलेगा where your child stands actually.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Azra ma'am. आप यहाँ आई and you talked upon this important topic. Thank you once again.
You're welcome, and I'd like to thank the management of DPS. They have provided us with a beautiful library with over 52,000 of books. So this is something that is a child requires in this era, where you have a digitalization. Having so many physical books as your resources is very good.
With every genre?
Yes, with every genre.
Okay.
You may find whatever you name it, you find it in DPS, and they regularly keep on updating those books. It's not कि हमारे पास जो पुरानी किताबें हैं अभी भी वही चल रही है. No.
Okay.
They
So you have new
management,
collections as well.
yes, we have full collection, and the management of DPS is regularly updating those collections. So I'd like to thank them as well for this.
Thank you so much once again. नाजरीन, ये था हमारा आज का टॉक एंड टॉक. अगर इस पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन का क्रक्स निकाले तो बात यही समझ आती है कि अगर आप आधा पैराग्राफ पढ़े या एक पेज पढ़े, कुछ ज़ाया नहीं होगा. एंड इफ यू आर अलोन, योर बुक्स आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. That's all for today. Keep watching Kashmir Live.